Okay, we have an Acer vertical milling machine, model 3VS, serial number 9505006. This machine was new in 1995. We're going to run it for you. The machine has a Sony digital readout. You can see the x-axis moving there. It's moving the hand wheel. That's the y-axis. You can also see the digital readout moving. You have a 9x42 table with 30 inches of X-travel. Right now he's moving it with the servo power feed. It's power. You also can hit the rapid button. Great. And you can change directions. Yep. And he's coming back the other way. All right. Now we're going to run the head. The head's 3 horsepower. It's very good speed. We're in the high range. It's going up. The machine has an R8 spindle. 2000. Head is decent. Spindle brake. Going into low range. That's low. Again, there you go. The higher part of low range. That's your QUILL. The QUILL has a little Mitutoyo digital readout. You can see there as well. The last thing, I guess, is run the QUILL feed. And that's it. Just gauge that. There you go. And he's feeding down. That's it. Okay. Thank you for watching our video.